Welcome, my friends, with a new recipe and a new video. We will start directly. The recipe is very easy. We need 30 grams of sugar and 7 grams of yeast. We add 190 milliliters of warm milk to them and mix the ingredients together until they are homogeneous and interact with the yeast. After that, we add to them 300 grams of flour, a pinch of salt. And then we start with the dough. After that, we add 35 grams of butter, then knead it for a few minutes until the dough becomes smooth. My friends, I will be very happy if you write to me in the comments what you think of my recipe and from which country are you watching me. My friends, the dough is ready. We will start cutting it into 2 pieces, and after cutting and after that, we cover the dough and wait for 50 minutes. During the waiting time, we prepare the filling. We need a little Nutella chocolate and a little fine almonds. We mix the chocolate and almonds together when the dough is ready. The recipe is very easy. We add a little flour to the table, and then we start rolling out the dough, my friends. Dear follower, help me grow the channel by subscribing to the channel and liking. The recipe is very easy and does not require a lot of time. It is a suitable meal for breakfast. My friends, after stretching the dough, we put the mixture on the dough using the rolling method. My friend, try rolling out the almond mixture and chocolate quietly. And if you, dear viewer, prefer raisins, sprinkle a little of it, and then we roll the dough in this way that you see. It is a very suitable method, my friends. You can eat this pie with coffee or hot tea. It is very delicious. After that, we cut the dough as you see. My family was very happy. When I made this pie and then we prepare the dough like this, it was beautiful in the end. It was beautiful. And in the end, my friends, you may not believe that my family asked me for pie again. The pie is ready. We put it in a mold measuring 22 decentimeters. After putting it in the mold, we wait 45 minutes until it ferments and doubles in size. At this time, we bring an egg and a tablespoon of milk, and after it doubles in size, we ferment it. We spread the pie in this way, and if you are a fan of nuts, you can add any kind. After that, we put the pie in the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for a maximum period of 20 to 25 minutes. After taking it out of the oven, we spread it with butter. My friends, the smell is very beautiful. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Write in the comments if you like this recipe, my friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for following. I hope you have a nice day. Happy to meet you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.